Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see the workbook fill up for standard 8 subject Sanskrit and second semester book. Let's see this chapter number 7 Subhashitani. Here the very first question in workbook is, for each of the given question choose the options that is its correct answer and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. So the very first MCQ is B, second C, third C, fourth D, fifth D, sixth B. Now MCQ number 7 answer is C, 8A, 9 number MCQ answer C, 10 number C, 11 number D, 12 number A, 13D, 14A, 15C. MCQ number 16 answer is C, 17 answer is C. Now exercise number 2, choose the correct option from the words given in the brackets and fill in the blanks. So the first answer is Annam, second Jalam, third Falani, fourth Pushpam, fifth Madhu. Here you can see the given space. In that you have to write down the above blanks as it is. So copy down the blanks as above. Question number 3, put a right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. So the first answer is right, second wrong, third right, fourth wrong, fifth wrong, sixth right. Now you can see the question number 4 and disjoin the sandhi. Disjoin the words. So the first answer is Dhanyah plus Asi, second Kasyachit plus Mitram, third Satyam plus Evam, fourth Punah plus Aki. Question number 5, join the words. First is Ripavastha, second is Punaschandanam, third is Nampah, fourth is Chaivikshudandam, fifth is Nadanti. Question number 6, write the following roots as per the example. So the answers are like this: Pibanti, Khadanti, Garjanti, Vadanti, Likhanti, Pashyanti, Pathanti and Namanti. Question number 7, find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. So the first answer is looks beautiful, second is water, third is cloud, fourth is rubbed, fifth is piece of sugarcane and sixth is earth, seventh number is prosperity. Question number 8, find out the true synonym of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. First answer is Swarnam, second Ambodha, third Vanara, fourth Nidadha, fifth Padapah. Question number 9, find out the true opposite words of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. So the first answer is Ripu, second is Swaha, third is Swahasteshu and fourth is Laghu. Recognize the following nouns forms and write. So here you have to find out the nouns and write. Question number 11, for answer each of the following question in Sanskrit. First is Pustakeshu sthita vidya karyakale upyukta na bhavati. Second, Satpurushasya vibhutaya paropkaraya santi. Third, Panchana nadina namnani Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Narmada and Saraswati. Now question number 4, Pranante api sajjananam prakruto vikruto na bhavati. Fifth, Parhastesu gatam yat dhanam tat karyakale upyuktam na bhavati. And sixth, Kapiha vruksham dhuniyate. Question number 12, answer each of the following question in English. First, trees are blessed on the earth. Second, clouds do not eat the grains themselves. Third, by cutting again and again the sugarcane sticks become tasty and sweet. Fourth, by heating or burning repeatedly gold becomes beautiful in color. Fifth, leaves fall from the trees. And sixth, to explain the nature of good person whose example are given. So here to explain the nature of good persons, example of sugarcane, then gold and sandalwood tree is given. Question number 13, translate the following verses into English. So here you can see the translation of the given verses that you have to note down in your workbook. Question number 14, complete the words. So by seeing here you may copy down the verses in your workbook. So dear students, here our workbook fill up for standard 8 subject Sanskrit chapter number 7 is over. You may note down the exercise in your workbook. Thank you.